welcome to my channel. Welcome back. I know I haven't made a video, guys, in so long. It's been what, 6, almost 7 months around the last time I made a video. So a lot have happened and changed in between that time frame, so everything just got to be too much, guys. And I couldn't make a video, one, because of some serious health issues. I just couldn't do it anymore. And two, because I was working full-time with mandatory overtime, guys, because of all this pandemic stuff. It just made everything worse. So I got to a point where I was trying to film a video and I wasn't able to finish it. It just turned out really bad and I was just getting sicker and sicker. And no, guys, it wasn't COVID or anything like that I was sick with. It's just my immune system took a dive because I was just being overworked. I couldn't sleep and I wasn't getting enough nutrition. Once I dialed back, I started fixing those issues. I actually started eating a lot better, got some extra vitamins that I needed. I started feeling a lot better, and I'm making this video, guys, because I wanted to also show you guys in between that time frame, a little bit before all the pandemic happened and in between the pandemic, I left 2 jobs. I just wanted to show you guys what happened and just a little bit. I took you guys a little bit on me pretty much returning everything my last day. The first job, guys, I actually left was I worked at the Nielsen TV ratings. It was actually fun and exciting. I worked at that job for over 5 years, but I did work seasonal. And before the whole pandemic happened, I actually was looking for a different job because I needed to get a lot more done, and the income I was getting from my seasonal job was not the best because I at some point was working about 3-4 months out of the year, guys, and that's even like extra seasonal, no hours. So I needed to change what I was doing, so I went and found a second job. So first, guys, I left my first job because it was just lifestyle situation issues and income needed to be increased. The second job, guys, was where I got really sick. Now, if you're watching this, you worked with me or you were at that job, please don't comment and let people know, because I'm just gonna delete those comments. I just don't want to mention that company because a lot of different reasons, and I just don't want to get into any of it any more deeper than I'll have to. I just wanted to let you guys know that it was quite a bad situation, and the job wise, the customer wise, I don't know what somebody put in the water during the end of my working period with that company, but those customers were the worst customers I've ever had to deal with, guys. Keep in mind, guys, I worked at McDonald's at some point starting from high school. Well, customers have gotten so angry, they've thrown food at me, cursed at me, do all kind of things. So it was worse than that. So, and I was just talking over the phone with people. So yeah, that job was just the worst. I've never had to deal with customers that bad. So I just couldn't take it anymore. So I just couldn't do that job anymore. And we were working more and more and more. Our lunch were getting cut because we didn't have enough people working, and I just kept getting more sick. I ended up having to deal with some serious health situation, one that is including my back, guys, which was just pretty much giving out on me. So I couldn't do it anymore, so I had to find something else to do. I ended up leaving that job and went to do something different. So I'm gonna show you guys. I took all their equipment back. I sent everything back. Towards the end, the managers really, I'm pretty sure they weren't pretty happy with me, the way they acted and the communication wise. So I just that's all, guys. That's all I have to say. So I'm going to show you guys me pretty much just taking all their equipment back. My last day at the Nielsen job and my other job, I'm going to block out everything again so you guys don't see where the company is at. And again, reminder, do not comment if you know what company it is. You can leave generic comments, but please don't mention the company's name. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys to my last day, official day at that job. So you'll see, brought all their stuff back, and I was just so excited. It's just relief to be done with that last day. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to return my work equipment because guess what? I quit my job because of some serious health issue, guys. I just couldn't deal anymore. I just couldn't do that job, and that is for a few different health issues. So today I'm gonna go return their equipment, which I packed a few days ago, but because we had a storm to wait to actually take everything back, so I couldn't drive to work. We're under a hurricane watch, so guys, hurricane season, but I quit, so they're getting all their equipment back. I'm excited, guys, because today is gonna be the last official day of me at that job, and you guys just don't know what that means. So let's go return all their equipment. Moving on, guys, after I took everything back, I was so happy. I actually had to spend an extra week with their equipment because of weather issue. So I did film this a little bit ago. So I'm not going to tell you guys exactly when I left. Again, I'm not going to give you clues to figure out who it was, but I did film this a little bit ago. So for now, guys, what I'm doing is I'm working on fixing my health. Number one, guys, health is wealth. Believe you me, hard lesson to learn. I used to work out all the time since I started full-time. I did not have the time or energy pretty much, even when I did get off work at a certain time. And another crappy thing about that work hour was the randomness of it. You'd work super early, you'd work midday, you'd work sometime till the late hours, and I hated that because it flip-flopped my schedule so much. Do my sleeping schedule out of whack. It was just not the best thing for me to get some workout in. So I'm gonna go ahead, get myself together, guys, start working out again. Started doing some stuff already a few weeks ago, getting myself back to health. I plan on doing this video a lot earlier for you guys, but I just was not, health-wise, I was not there to do it. So I'm working on that. And another thing is I'm going to show you guys is my skin is not completely cleared up yet, but I have been doing a lot more skincare. So I'm going to show you guys a few skincare tips that I do. I'm going to show you guys products that I use, and definitely going to be doing product review for both hair and skin for you guys, beauty products. So I'm excited about that, and I have a lot of tools to show you guys, which I love them. They've helped so much, made this process a lot easier. And also I'm going to show you guys how to get some discounts and how I shop and get so much for so little, basically. So stay tuned for those videos. I am going to be putting out videos, guys, on Monday and Fridays now, because with my new career I have a lot more time. So I'm going to be filming a lot more videos for you guys, doing my best to get a lot more detail in, and see if I can vlog some of the stuff I do for you guys to give you a lot more information. So I'm excited about that. So I do have an Instagram. I don't promote it a lot, but I do have my Instagram that I want you guys to go ahead and follow me there, because usually I would do most of my food on Instagram when I do post. I don't post every day, but when I do post, most of my food goes on Instagram. So a lot more of my nutrition things would be on Instagram, but I am going to be putting out a lot more information on YouTube for you guys. And I'm going to start writing some blogs for you guys because of all the paperwork information I realize I have. So I'm like, I should start blogging again and do that. So you guys can go to my blog. I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys can go and actually read some of that information and have more instruction. And when I make the food, I'm going to leave little recipe blogs for you guys so you can enjoy those too. I want to say thank you so much to all my subscribers that stuck with me all these months. I haven't posted anything, and all my new subscribers. Thank you guys for signing up. I know you haven't seen any new videos from me, but I'm going to start posting now. So everyone, thank you so much for staying on my channel, staying with me, watching my videos. I have been seeing the comments. I try to answer them, guys, and talk to you guys in the comment section, even though I haven't posted anything new. But I am going to start now. So any comments, suggestions, questions, please comment down below and let me know. So if you haven't already, you're watching this video right now for the first time, of course, go ahead, subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching this video. And please give this video a thumbs up. Help my channel out a lot. And if you haven't already, guys, of course, go over and watch my last video as always.